Hello little learners, welcome to English Gyaan. Today we are going to learn something really fun. We are going to learn about nouns. Do you know what a noun is? Don't worry if you don't. By the end of this video, you will. Are you ready to find out?
Yay!
Let's go! A noun is a special word. It's a word that names a person or place or a thing. Let's say that together. A noun names a person, a place or a thing. Great job! Now, first let's talk about nouns that are people. Can you think of any people? Maybe a teacher, a friend or a mom. All of these are people and they are all nouns. Now let's talk about the places. A place can also be a noun. Think about the places you know, like a park, a house or a school. These are all places, so they are nouns too. Next, let's look at things. A thing can be any object you see or can touch, like a ball, a book or a toy. People, places and things all are nouns. Let's say it one more time. A noun is a word that names a person, a place or a thing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some pictures and you will have to tell me if it's a person, a place or a thing. Ready? Is this a person, a place or a thing? Yes, it's a person. Great job. And what about this one? Is this a person, a place or a thing? Yes, it's a place. Awesome. And this? Is it a person, a place or a thing? Oh my God, that's right again. It is a thing. Wow, you're doing amazing. Now you know all about nouns. Let's do a quick recap before we go. A noun is a word that names a... That's right, a person, a place or a thing. People like a teacher, places like a school and things like a ball are all nouns. Nouns everywhere. People, places, things to share. Nouns, don't you see? They are everywhere for you and me. Yay! You did such an awesome job today learning about nouns. Now you can go tell everyone what a noun is because you are a noun expert. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more fun learning videos. See you the next time. Bye bye.